Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your account with Vivago AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Vivago.ai and we are all logged in. So you should be seeing a screen similar to this. Up at the top right hand corner you'll find your account icon, and if you hover over it with your mouse then you will see different options here. We're going to go ahead and select settings. And once we do, there you have it. Delete my account. Very easy to find, and all you have to do is just go ahead and click that and go through the steps. It says here, if you choose to delete your account, which deletes all media files such as images, videos, and 3D models, this action cannot be undone. If you wish to delete your account, please follow these steps. Locate your user icon, navigate to settings, and then choose delete account, which is where we are here. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.